Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Garland and this is GTV. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, you should also hit that button for notifications and share. Okay, breaking news about the legend himself, Jose Mayanja Chameleone, that is unwell, and he has been lashed to the hospital again. It could be for so many times, because last time we saw him all the way fled from Uganda. Flew from Uganda to America for treatment. But after seeing him in social media having fun and also recovering, we thought that everything is okay. Maybe the legend is now back to his feet. Maybe anytime soon he'll be back to entertain us. But what we saw in the morning on social media really amazed us. And for us who are entertainment gurus, who love music and entertainment, and Jose Chameleone is one of the figures who has entertained us all our childhood. We were very sad to see that the legend was down again, and hospital officials trying to pick him to the hospital. That really catch some of our feeling, not only me. I could see comments all over, people playing for the legend to come back to his feet and also keep on living his life, taking care of his family, and also entertaining us. But listen to it just now. Finally, he has talked to the public. He has issued his word to the public. He used his Instagram page and also his Facebook page to talk to us of what is happening and what the way forward. I don't know much about Luganda. He's speaking his mother tongue language, which is a good thing. But I could only hear a few there and there with a hope. He's talking about surgery, that now there's a place whereby he has to take surgery. They have to perform a surgery on him. He's speaking from his hospital bed, and I'm putting a video here so that you can also listen yourself. If you're lucky, you listen. Luganda, that's better. If you have as an audience who knows the language, they can help us in the comment. We may never know. But he's talking about a surgery. So my point is, let's keep on playing Africa the way we've been playing. Tieni Tipempele, we should play for the legend, so that the surgery should be little successful. He should go do his surgery, come back bouncing just like a baby. You understand? So big up yourself, whoever you're playing for the legend, and also all the strength and players should go to his family for always standing strong, be there. I saw my favorite Wozo, he's always there, and as a caretaker and a friend to Chameleone, this lady, she has a heart of God. I've seen the comment in his platform, people are praising her so much for doing necessary to take care of Jose Chameleone. According to them, they're just friends, we may never know, but they're so close together, and we've seen her taking larger part of taking care of the legend. So big up yourself, Julieta, for that heart of God. Julie, the boss lady, you have done really a good job. So let's gather together and pray for the legend as he recovers. He goes through a surgery.
Yes, my friends bang. Mwena bakwano bang. First and foremost, nsoko kwebaza buli omu. Sekino omule sala. Zona zimuntekedde mu kulabika nti no mbeera nsuuka ate nempona.